All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to what your time be right now. Come on, your body. Oh, shit. Today, we're going to talk about why Chimamanda Adichie, why the Siam for court with Peter Obi. Come on, your body. Oh, shit. Let's go there. All right, our Nigerian novelist, we get swag. We the world also recognize. We her name sweet, well like African tomato. In fact, then they call her Chimamanda Adichie. Eyes done they tell us say, then Siam yesterday, will be Tuesday 1st of August 2023, as she take the follow the Labour Party presidential candidate, when name be Peter Obi, and his running mate, whether they call Dati Baba Ahmed. Yes, so big and shine eyeballs done the talk say them see how she take enter the presidential election petition court for Abuja yesterday. Come on your body, oh shit. Okay, now the details of waiting happened so far. Now be this. Hope say we don't forget say now open secret say Chimamanda Adichie be done they give 100 kg support to Peter Obi even before the 2023 presidential election. And yesterday Tuesday agenda so it concerned the adoption of a final written address with Peter Obi and the legal representatives of the Independent National Electoral Commission will be INEC, President Bola Tinubu, Kashim Shettima, and all the Progressive Congress. Remember say before today Adichie bin don't openly criticize the way the presidential election result matter take happen. And because of that one so, she come go as far as Arise TV to go complain how so many Nigerians no take they happy because of the election result. The author of the book, what them they call The Purple Hibiscus, come talk say she dey very sure say technology supposed to save us, and make we also talk about how the collection of PVC take dey difficult before now, and say make they themselves know say that one too now one way would them take prevent fellow citizens from their right to vote. She said nobody will take I see the real result as Professor Yakubu Mahmood really promised. She come quote Professor Yakubu Mahmood the way in take talk say he go put the election result there for anybody to see. Chimamanda Adichie come talk say she read am many times, say the public go view each polling unit result as election just the conclude that very day of the election. So that yesterday so now be the final adoption of the written address where the Peter Obi camp people write, and it no surprise us to see Ogboge African author like Chimamanda Adichie with the Labour Party presidential candidate where be Peter Obi. Come on your body. Okay, after you don't hear what Chimamanda Adichie they doing the midst of Peter Obi, Labour Party presidential candidate, and Dati Baba we been running mate. You don't see him? An intelligent move. Come on your body. Oh shit, bro. Have fun now. Give me your subscription now. Press the red subscribe button and press the bell notification icon so that anytime when I drop something like this, you'll cash in. Come on your body. A sign of the oh shit. We